everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to revise our chapter 5 Coastal Regions and Islands of India. Let us start the topic Coastal Plains and their divisions. India has 7,517 km long coastline which include coastal plains and the mainland coast is two island groups. To the west we have western coastal plain and in the east we have eastern coastal plains. They are separated from each other by Deccan Plateau but they meet at Kanyakumari. Western Coastal Plain. Firstly, we will see about Western Coastal Plain. Western Coastal Plain cover a narrow strip of land about 65 km in wide. It is situated between Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. It starts from the Gujarat in the north and passes through Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and ends in Kanyakumari. In the south, the width of western coast decreases from the north to south. The western coastal plains is divided into three important parts. Three important parts is first is Gujarat coast in the north, the Konkan coast in the middle and the Malabar coast in the south. Eastern coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain refer to wide stretch of land lying between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal. It includes delta in West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. The average width of this plain is 120 km. It had two broad divisions. Northern part is known as the Northern Circle and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. Islands. Now see islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. There are two big island groups in India. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea. Firstly, we will see about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of 572 islands which can be divided into main island groups. The Andaman Islands to the north and the Nicobar Island to the south. These islands are one of the union territories of India. Some islands in the group are volcanic origin. They are covered with thick forest and only some of these islands are inhabited. Let us see Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep consists of 36 islands covering an area of 32 square kilometer. They are flat and sandy. These islands are known as coral islands because they are formed from coral deposited. Coconut is the main crop of this region and fishing is the main industry. Only 11 of these 36 islands are inhabited. The people of the islands speak Jaisri and Mahal language. Now see life in the coastal plain and islands. Firstly, we will see life in islands. Most of the inhabitants are tribes and people from different parts of the country come and settled here. Main occupation of this island are fishing and farming. Rice, maize, coconut, pineapple, papaya are the main crops which is grown here. The thick forest on the island provide teak and rubber. Life in western coastal plain. Let us see life of the western coastal plains people. Gujarat constitutes with the north of the western coastal plain. Here most of the people are farmers and wheat and cotton are the main crops grown here. And Ahmedabad in Gujarat known for its textile industry. Salt is made in coastal areas. Garba and Dandiya, Ras dance are famous folk dances of this region. Coconut is widely used in food along to Konkan ropes, brooms and boat tops. Fishing and farming are the main occupation of these people. Here, Konkan and Malabar coast also important industrial and commercial center. Let us see life in eastern coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain, fishing and farming are the main occupation of this area. Also, rice is the main crop which is grown here. It is grown with sugar cane, tobacco, coconut, banana also. And the Chilka Lake in Odisha with bird sanctuary, a major tourist attraction. And Durga Puja is a famous festival of West Bengal. Visakhapatnam is the most important seaport of the north, whereas Chennai is the most important seaport of the Coromandel coast. The western and eastern coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The three water bodies, the Arabian Sea on the western side, the Bay of Bengal on the eastern side, and the Indian Ocean in the southern coverage here. Now see importance of coastal plain and islands. Rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow here and thus making region very fertile. It makes large deltas and the Coromandel coast receive rain from both sides north and east, south and west. And Malabar coast receive heavy shower from the southwest monsoon winds. Islands are popular tourist attraction and the maritime climate, tropical beaches attract large number of tourists from all over the world. Ports along these coastal plains serve as important trading facilities. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.